in the dream, I had become a joker. No, you never became a joker. Do you see this? Where is the joker now? If you had really become the joker should be there. No, the joker was born and the joker died. Is it true? Even the joker was born, the joker died is a story. Even saying that I've lost the stand of witness is a lie. Just like saying in the dream, I was a joker. No, you were never the joker. You were the one who always knew that there was a joker in the dream. Are you seeing this? All this is story. All this is story. The joker was never born. It never died. Which means you were never the joker. Exactly like that. If you understand the joker of the dream, exactly like that. You see, karma is the dream world. Jnana is the deep sleep blankness. The deep sleep blankness never becomes the dream world. It cannot. It's always the backdrop on which the illusion flashes and disappears. So, I never ever become the person. I never lose my stand. I only create a story. That's it. I keep myself busy in stories. So I don't need to recognize my real nature of nothingness, nobodiness, the deep sleep blankness. Oh, so boring all this is. Blankness, nothingness. Let me be something, and there you create a story. Can I dive one step deeper now? I never became that. I never became the parent. I never became the son or daughter. I never became the spouse. I only see these arisings. Yeah, because I'm always the backdrop. I'm always the water. I have never become the wave. Wave is a story. Arising is a story. If till here the seeing is there, at least in glimpses, you're very clear, then you will see karma is the flame. Jnana is what it disappears into. The flame comes up, and at the end of its wax, it disappears. What does it disappear into? That is jnana. I like to create the story of I am that flame. No, I am never the flame. I am that in which it completely disappears. And from me only it is born. How is it born? Do I see how this flame is born? Karma is born of ego sense, ahankara vritti. Just I sense wants to create a story. And I recognize it as an impression which is embedded due to past conditioning. It has just sprouted up. If I maintain my distancing as the backdrop, very clearly I will be able to see every arising, and it will be evident this has been born of ahankara. Some ahankara, even if it is a past habit pattern, past thought, past feeling, past preference, likes and dislikes, something that has been embedded, born of that ego sense, ahankara. And it doesn't last long. It arises and it dissolves. Am I able to see moment to moment it arising and dissolving, arising and dissolving? As Ekta is explaining this, I can see certain thoughts come up, certain conditionings come up, certain examples of my personal life come up automatically. I am not bringing them up. Yes. Do I see it is born of ahankara vritti? And do I see that in Vidyatma Vritti, it disappears? Jnana is where the ego sense dies. There is no continuous ego. There is no continuous ahankar. There is no continuous I. Hence, there is no continuous arising. Nothing permanent. Can I see this? Moment to moment, it is born of ahankara vritti, dissolves into Vidyatma vritti. Ahankara vritti goes back into Vidyatma vritti. Is this my seeing?